I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound of my shoes on your floor. I don't mind selling out or playing cover song, just as long as friends and family sing along. And I don't need more money or a faster car, no.
Welcome to my Thanksgiving tablescape, guys. I'm so excited. If you've seen already in the title, this is a collab with LeeAnne. She's a fellow YouTuber. I absolutely love her channel. If you are not already subscribed to her, go subscribe to her because her content is very similar to mine, and her and I feel like are pretty similar people. So if you like me, if you like my channel, I know you're gonna like hers too. So this is my Thanksgiving tablescape, and I'm obsessed. Mustard, like yellow, and like this blue tealish color are my favorite combination for fall, and I'm just obsessed with how this turned out. I don't have 8 people to feed, but it's really pretty, isn't it? So I'm gonna explain to you how I did some of these things and where they came from, starting with, well, first of all, let me start on the other side because I'm missing some of my black silverware and it must be dirty somewhere in the house. I can't find it. But the basic place setting is I have these black utensils from Hearth and Hand. I bought them last year, I think, at Christmas. And then I have these chargers that were 70% off at Michael's, and this napkin that was 70% off from Hearth and Hand, this yellow piece that was 70% off from Michael's, and this napkin ring I bought last year. These wine glasses, the plain wine glasses, I bought from Facebook Marketplace. I got 8 for $5, and I got these yellow, they're wine glasses, but I'm treating them as water goblets in this situation. I got those at the thrift store for $1. So guys, this doesn't have to be expensive. I think, you know, you can look at something like this and be like, oh my gosh, that's so much money, but it's really not. You just have to be willing to look for things. So all of the greenery that you see in the middle is the same greenery that I used up on my light fixture. So I had taken that down to decorate for Halloween, and I did buy some garland that I thought I would want to use, but I ended up not using it, and I used what I already had, and I liked that a lot better. This is one napkin kind of style or setting, and then this is another napkin setting, and I couldn't decide, like, you can totally see I'm missing a knife here. I couldn't decide which setting I liked more, so I just used both of them. And this little pumpkin here I've had for a couple years now. I got it from Hobby Lobby. And then the only other thing are these lanterns, and if you recognize them, if you shop at Target, you probably recognize them. They're from Hearth and Hand, and I got those also on 70% off clearance. So it's very doable, and I just love this so much. Oh yeah, and then this right here, this is not a tablecloth, it is the throw blanket that was on my couch. I also have these little LED tea lights in here just to add a little extra warmth without setting anything on fire. I've got my tiny little pumpkins from Target that I used already, and the only other thing, I don't know if you can see it, maybe if I go up like this, there is a board underneath the center lantern, and this board is from Michael's. It was 70% off clearance, and I thought it was worth it to buy. It was $30, which to me, you know, is a lot. Here's a look from the other side, but I knew I would use it all year long, and so I just decided to invest in that piece. So this is a much more muted concept here in the dark. So I just wanted you to get a feel for what it looks like if the main chandelier is off. So if you haven't already or if you're not already subscribed to Katie LeeAnne, please go over and visit her channel. I really, honestly, I love her channel. She is somebody that I watch every single one of her videos. They're always entertaining. I always think it's impressive when somebody can take a video about cleaning and make it fun to watch, and they are fun to watch, and I love, and she doesn't just do cleaning videos. She does decor, she does lifestyle stuff. She's the cutest, most wonderful little family, and I really just think you guys are gonna like her. So before you click off this video, make sure you go over and visit her channel. The link to her Thanksgiving Tablescape video will be in the description down below, and the link to her channel will be in the description down below. If you are coming over here from Katie's channel, thank you so much for coming by. I hope you'll subscribe, and I'd love to have you stick around. See y'all in the next one.
Well, I don't mind to slow down anymore. I don't mind the sound.